Some hereditary issues in my family are type 1 diabetes and cancer. The cancers that run in my family are breast cancer and colon cancer. Diabetes is when glucose can't get into the cells normally. This ends up causing a rise in blood sugar levels. Type 1 diabetes, the one that runs in my family, is when the immune system attacks the pancreas and destroys the cells that make insulin. It is still not known what causes diabetes, but scientists predict that it deals with the genes. Because of this, doctors can't tell who will and won't get this, therefore making it unpreventable. Breast cancer is when the cells in the breast end up turning into a tumor. This tumor is a group of cells that are able to grow into the surrounding tissues or spread to distant areas of the body. There is no guaranteed way that breast cancer can be prevented, but there are ways to help lower the risk of getting breast cancer. Colon cancer, just like other cancers, is when there is an out-of-control cell growth. Colon cancer can begin with non-cancerous clumps of cells. Over some time, some of those cells can become colon cancers if they aren't removed during a colonoscopy. Due to the risk of getting diabetes and cancer, it has gotten me to live a cautious and healthy lifestyle. For instance, being active, getting exercise helps the cells be more sensitive to insulin, which helps it work more efficiently. Also, exercise helps the cells remove glucose from the blood that's being used through a different mechanism that's separate from the insulin being used during exercise. I have started going to the gym. This is helping me by getting me active. The most activity I did was walking around my house. I am trying to make a strong commitment of going to the gym at least 4 days a week. This is still a little of a struggle for me, but I am doing way better than from when I started. Another way I live a healthy lifestyle is through nutrition. By changing my diet to healthier types of food, I can help lower my chance of getting diabetes, such as trying to avoid foods that have high amounts of carbohydrates, sugary drinks, eating the good fats instead of the bad fats, and limiting the red meat I eat and trying to avoid processed meat. This is one of my biggest struggles. My family is big fans of junk food, so I grew up eating a lot of unhealthy foods. I am trying to stop this bad habit. I have been able to stop drinking soda, but my struggle is still with chips and eating fast food like hamburgers. I have been able to cut the amount of times I go buy fast food. I used to go at least 3 to 5 times a week. Now I can go 2 to 3 months without buying or craving a hamburger or other fast food. Some other ways I try to live a healthy lifestyle is by maintaining a healthy weight, not smoking, not drinking, and not drinking alcohol. I am helping maintain a healthy weight by going to the gym and trying to eat healthy. My body may not be as healthy right now due to the lack of activity I had for about a year, but I have noticed a difference. I fit in some old clothes I had, I have more energy, and I feel a lot healthier. I've never smoked in my life, so it's pretty easy to stay away from smoking. I never really saw alcohol around my family growing up, but I would see the occasional mixed alcohol drink. So once in a while we make margaritas at home, but that is pretty much it. For colon cancer, it is also recommended to get screenings at age 50, but when this type of cancer is hereditary, then it is recommended to start getting screenings at age 45.